What's up, everyone? Today we're here at our fort to do an egg drop. Today we're going to be dropping our eggs from this fort and see which one of our eggs survive. Now, Kaden, what is your design?
My design is where I put my egg in this toilet paper roll thing, cover with straws and toilet paper.
Case?
Well, basically I put my egg inside this little toilet paper roll and I cover it with tape and I just put all toilet paper around it.
Oh. What's your design?
Oh. Mine's just technically a rocket design with straws around it, because just in case it falls on its side, the straws will save it, that way it can just bounce around. The egg inside has toilet paper around it, just in case once it lands straight like this, the toilet paper absorbs the impact, and it'll save the egg. But crack Bob.
And finally, mine is a concept based on a Mars lander where it uses parachutes to slow its descent down before using a rocket engine to completely slow its descent. But I don't have a rocket engine. Then I have these straws for landing legs because all of the weight is at the bottom and the legs will absorb the impact instead of the egg.
Thanks, Science Kentucky Ballistics.
Thank you, Kentucky Ballistics! Alright, well, now we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to go first. Rock, paper, scissors. Bang, bang. 1, 2, 3. Okay, alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, alright, I go last. Alright, Cole, go first. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, come down. Let's check it out.
I'll
pick it up. Watch out for my Mars lander.
Yo, coming out.
Oh wait, I see some goo.
No!
Alright.
No gooey goo!
Let's check it out. Or is that just the Elmer's glue you have? Oh my gosh, how much toilet paper did you use?
As many as it possibly can.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, check your rocket, because you know better. You check your lander. I don't know why I called it a rocket. It's not a rocket.
Did it survive?
Oh! No cracks! No cracks! Except for his butt.
Yeah, there's but.
Okay,
3,
you can't wait no
2,
kingdom.
1. Oh!
That did not sound good.
Question mark.
It's cracked.
Okay.
I'll take a look, everybody.
That didn't sound good.
Yeah.
I can
it cracked.
It cracked.
My turn. It's fine.
No, it cracked. Is it cracked? Open. Let me see.
A little.
I can see the little crack. You can see the crack.
It's a little bit.
Yeah, it cracked.
A little bit.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
What the heck? Oh, well, it looks like your egg wet itself. Your egg wet itself. Your egg has wet itself.
Oh, you wet it so bad.
All right, time for me to test drop the MDV or Mars Descent Vehicle. Ready, go in 3, 2, 1.
Did it land?
All right, let's see if it landed upright. Oh,
What?
okay. I'm not feeling no yolk or anything coming out. Karen, go like this. Just go like this. Oh, okay, it's looking good.
No way!
Oh, genius.
Egg Shepherd has lived.
And ours didn't.
Do it again?
Let's see how
Mine's
many
gone.
times we can do it.
Mine's destroyed.
Oh, second MDV attempt. 3, 2, 1. All right. It looks like the Mars Descent Vehicle landed on its side. Okay, I'm not seeing any yellow marks from Egg Shepherd wetting himself yet. So let's see.
No cracks. Wow.